Fueling progress, understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and commonly used phrase in English, fueling progress. This phrase is not only vibrant in its imagery but also significant in its application across various contexts. So, let's dive into understanding what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. In this section, we'll dissect the phrase, fueling progress, to understand its meaning better. The word, fueling, is derived from fuel, which literally means to provide energy for something, like putting petrol in a car. In a figurative sense, fueling means to stimulate or to drive something forward. The word, progress, refers to the process of improving or moving forward in some aspect. When combined, fueling progress means to contribute to or to accelerate improvement or advancement in a situation, project, or context. Here, we will explore how the phrase is used in different contexts. Fueling progress can be applied in various scenarios, such as in business, personal development, technology, or social change. For example, in a business context, investing in new technology might be seen as fueling progress in the company. In personal development, continuous learning could be a way of fueling one's progress towards personal goals. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. The new policy is fueling progress in environmental conservation. 2. Her enthusiasm and hard work are fueling progress in our team's project. 3. Investment in education is essential for fueling progress in society. It's important to understand the correct usage to avoid common mistakes. Remember, fueling progress is usually used in a positive context and implies an active role in bringing about improvement. It's not used for negative or passive situations. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, fueling progress, and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations and writing. Keep practicing. And don't forget to use this phrase when you talk about contributing to positive change or improvement in any field. See you in the next video.